You've made your way through your book pile, and now it's time to find your next awesome read. If you've ever found yourself in this position, the Libby app by Overdrive might be for you. This app allows you to check out ebooks and audiobooks from your public library. The first step is to download the Libby app, and you'll do that by going to the Google Play Store, looking for the app or searching for it and tapping the icon. Then you'll tap the green install button, and after it finishes installing, you will be able to open it from here, but I'm not going to do that today. Instead, I'll show you how to do it on subsequent days. So once you've installed the app, you will be able to access it more directly by going to the launcher button and then clicking on the caret and searching for it. Let's see if it's on page 2. There it is, so just select the app. The next screen you're going to see ask the question, do you have a library card? If you do, go ahead and click yes. If you do not, you're probably going to want to stop the process right here and ask your parent or guardian to sign up for a library card online. So if you typically would go to the Northwest Library, you'll visit the Worthington Library website. If you typically visit the Dublin Library, that is part of the Columbus Metropolitan Library Group, so you would visit that website. In both libraries, you will go to the website, apply for a library card, and they will send you a number by email. Okay, now we have our library card, so we're going to go ahead and select yes. So this screen comes up next, and it asks you to identify your library. We are going to go to the middle search for your library choice, and then if you are a Columbus Metropolitan Library member, the Dublin Library, then type Columbus Metropolitan Library. If you typically go to Northwest, then you're going to want to type in Worthington Libraries. So once you see your library, tap on it. At this point in time, you are going to enter the library card number that was given to you and press sign in. You'll see your library card and go ahead and press the next button. Here's the next screen, and you can select, narrow down the type of book you might want. Do you want an ebook or an audiobook? Are there specific languages that you're looking for? Are you looking for teen books or juvenile books? Are you looking for a Kindle, something that you can read on a Kindle, or something that you can read with the Libby app? Do you want to only see books that are available to check out right now? Once you're finished, you can, on the right-hand side of the screen, tap Explore, and then we're going to select Kids. And then All Titles on the right-hand side of the screen. There are going to be a number of books that show up that you can browse through, just like you would in a physical library. You might notice that some of them say place hold, and that means the book isn't available to check out, because just like a physical library, the library only owns a certain number of copies. Well, I've been looking for the book Speechless, so I am going to take a look at it. It says borrow, so that means it's available for me to borrow, but when I click on borrow, there's a message that says there's a limited checkout period. Because ebooks are very popular right now, some of them have a shorter period of time that you can have them out. But I think I can read this in 7 days, so I'm going to click borrow. And it says that I now am able to open the book, and I want to use the Libby app. Okay, sometimes you'll see a page format that looks similar to this. This page is telling you your progress, but using the up and down arrows, you can toggle between the page that tells you how far you are in the book and a full screen page. To move, like to turn the page forward, to the next page, you'll use the right arrow, and if you want to return to the previous page, the left arrow. But the best news is the next time you sign into Libby, it will take you back to the page where you left off. That's it for now. The Libby app is a great resource when you're trying to find something new to read. I hope you'll try it soon.